We start by defining the unknown number as x to solve for it. We use the fact that 25% of x equals 50, so 25 over 100 times x equals 50. To isolate x, we multiply both sides by 100 divided by 25, which is the inverse operation. This multiplication simplifies the right side to 50 times 100 divided by 25. We then simplify the fraction by canceling 25 from numerator and denominator. After canceling, we find that x equals 200. Therefore, the correct answer is option B, which is 200. Let the number be x. 25% of x equals 50, so 25 over 100 times x equals 50. Multiply both sides by 100 over 25. Simplifying gives x equals 200. The correct answer is B, 200.